Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this short guide, you will learn 2 easy ways to make your store shine, featuring your best products at the top, and grouping your products into your own custom categories. Let's get started. Open your vendor menu and click Branded Store. This is where you control how your storefront looks, including which products you spotlight and how they are organized. Scroll down to the Featured Products section. Here you can pick up to 6 of your products to spotlight at the very top of your store, so shoppers see your best items first. Open the product list, choose a product, and click Choose Featured Products. It is added to your featured list right away. You can add a few, then drag them into the order you want. Next, find the My Categories section. Custom categories let you group your products your own way, like holiday collection or best sellers, so customers can shop your store more easily. Click Add a category, then give it a name in English and in French. Adding both means every shopper sees the category in their own language. Click Save Category to create it. After that, you can assign your products to it. That is it. Your best products are featured and your store is neatly organized. And that's it. You now know how to feature your products and organize your store into categories on Resogra. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.